rains are falling, I hear footsteps of my Redeemer returning for fellowship. You hid your face, Lord, and I've suffered in my transgressions. How I longed for sweet deliverance. You've made a way that I could come, repentant, Lord. And you have forgiven and given me a heart that I could love you, Lord, truly love you, Lord. I just want to tell you I love you, Lord. You already know. I just want to tell you that I love you, Lord. You know the desires of my heart. I want to tell you that I love you, Lord. You can tell the secrets of the heart.
Satan schemed against me to try to take me from my place, Lord, to destroy me at my weakest moment. He said I would surely die, that I could never be right.